Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will delve into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.6. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have realized an impressive gain of 64.32% since we initially identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate just 6 days ago. This equates to an average return of 10.72% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, specifically at $7.16, would first indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 84.88% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 6.83% and 95.66%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a change of around 25.33% over the next year, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 65.29% and 31.73%. This would correspond to a price range between $2.35 and $8.92 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, High Volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $6.77. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by 4.78% on the last day, Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, from $7.11 to $6.77. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 17.15%, from a day low of $6.68 to a day high of $7.82. The price has been experiencing significant ups and downs during this period, with a gain of 60.43% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is actually a good sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 105 million shares, totaling 161 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.09 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.82, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 13.43%, or $1.05, below the 52-week high, and 58%, or $9.35, below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the ticker BBAI, has experienced a remarkable surge in its stock price, recently climbing nearly 45% following the announcement of a significant contract with the United States Department of Defense. This impressive performance occurs amidst a broader uptick in small and mid-cap AI stocks, influenced by declining treasury yields and positive economic data. These factors create an attractive environment for technology investments. Additionally, the momentum generated by this contract and increased trading volume indicates strong investor interest. While the near-term outlook may encounter challenges due to recent revisions in earnings estimates, the foundation for long-term growth remains robust with a rising interest in AI applications. As BigBear.ai continues to secure contracts and innovate, its potential for sustained growth could be substantial. The recent rise not only reflects current investor enthusiasm, but also positions the company favorably for ongoing investment as it navigates an evolving industry landscape. In the long run, successful execution of new projects and further contract acquisitions could enhance BigBear.ai's market position and appeal to both institutional and retail investors, keeping a spotlight on its stock as a compelling opportunity in the AI sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was similarly reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBA a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $5 and $4.03. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 5, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 4.78%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 79 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 102 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock is expected to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.15 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 17.15%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 19.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This essential metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and heightened bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $7.11. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings, according to various analyst sources, is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carolyn Blankenship executed an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January 2025, Paul E. Fulcino made an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. Also on the 22nd of January 2025, Pamela Joyce Braden conducted an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. On the same day, Peter Anthony Canito Jr. completed an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 22nd of January 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC performed an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 89.85. In total, insiders acquired 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.41, reflecting a decrease of 5.34%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings to open at approximately 31.8 cents and start trading around $7.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.